One of the strangest Canadian disappearances is that of Gordon Sagoo, a resident of British Columbia, Canada. He was a very experienced hiker and especially loved the local Fraser Valley. He disappeared August 14, 2016 at Baby Monday Peak, Cheam Range, British Columbia, Canada. Gordon Sagoo, 50, was hiking with two friends to Baby Monday Peak in British Columbia on Sunday, August 14, 2016, when he walked ahead of the group to explore another area and vanished without a trace. The weather was fine that day. He was fit and experienced. Yet despite a large search, nothing was found 4 years on. Gordon remains missing. Baby Monday is in the Cheam Range in the Fraser Valley region of the lower mainland of British Columbia, near the city of Chilliwack. The region is also part of the Skagit Range of the Canadian Cascades and contains many rugged peaks. The western peaks in the range, Cheam, Lady, Baby Monday, and Stewart, are known in the areas of the Fraser Valley where they are visible as the Four Sisters. The eastern peaks in the range are referred to as the Lucky Four group because of their proximity to the abandoned Lucky Four mine, the highest point in Welch Peak. Gordon had decided that day to visit another peak while they hiked to a nearby lake. They agreed to meet later in the day, but Sagoo never arrived in their meeting spot. Friends said Sagoo was physically and mentally strong. He took up long-distance running in his mid-40s and completed several marathons. Search and rescue crews were first called out on the night of August 14th to look for Gordon in the Chilliwack River Valley. He was last seen near Baby Monday Peak. Friends and family said he was an experienced hiker and knew the area well. A massive search effort involving ground teams, helicopters, drones, and police dogs was launched. The crews from around the region scoured the area but did not find a trace of Gordon. Sagoo's family had returned to the mountain daily looking for any signs. North Shore Search and Rescue also brought in a thermal imaging camera to track him. After a week, on August 21st, Chilliwack Search and Rescue reviewed all aspects of the search and recommended to RCMP that it be called off. They said the decision to suspend the search came after long consideration. After consulting with SAR managers from Kent Harrison, Coquitlam, and North Shore Rescue, the management team from Chilliwack reviewed all aspects of the search operation on Sunday. A report was presented to the Chilliwack RCMP recommending the suspension of the search of Mr. Sagoo. The announcement comes one day after Sagoo's family and close friends held a tearful news conference in Surrey, expressing faith that he would be found. In a statement, members of the Sagoo family thanked the various search and rescue teams for their courageous and tireless efforts over the past week. They also vowed to continue the search privately via other channels. Sagoo's niece, Manpreet Gill, said, "This has been one of the most agonizing and challenging times our family has gone through. Nothing has been harder than returning home each day without him. He is a strong, determined, resilient person. There isn't a powerful enough word to describe my uncle. Over 4 years on, no sign of Gordon has turned up, and he remains missing."